Resonance column is a setup to find the velocity of sound in air. In it there is a closed pipe whose length can be adjusted. It is seen that for a tuning fork, the minimum distance for resonance is 16.5 cm. For the next resonance, the tube length is 50 cm. If the velocity of sound in air is 348 meter per second, find the frequency of the tuning fork. For first resonating length, L1 is equal to lambda by 4. Now, only lambda by 4 or 1/4 of a stationary wave is formed inside the tube. So we can write L1 equal to lambda by 4. For second resonance, L2 is 3 lambda by 4. Now 3 by 4th of the wave is formed inside the closed pipe. So we can write L2 is equal to 3 lambda by 4. L2 minus L1 equal to 3 lambda by 4 minus lambda by 4. On subtracting, we get L2 minus L1 is equal to lambda by 2. We have L2 minus L1 equal to lambda by 2. So lambda is equal to 2 into L2 minus L1. Velocity V is equal to F lambda, where F is frequency. And substituting the value of lambda here, we get F into 2 into L2 minus L1. So this is the equation for velocity. From this equation, F is equal to V by 2 into L2 minus L1. The given question, we have L1 is equal to 16.5 centimeter or 0.165 meter and L2 50 centimeter or 0.50 meter. Now we can substitute these values in the equation for F. F equal to V by 2 into L2 minus L1. V is velocity of sound, which is 348 meter per second. L2 is 0.5 and L1 is 0.165. On solving, we get the frequency of the tuning fork as 319 Hz. Moving on to the next question. A tuning fork vibrating at frequency 800 Hz produces resonance in a resonance column tube. Successive resonance are observed at 9.76 cm, 31.25 cm and 52.57 cm. Calculate the speed of sound in air. As we have seen, the difference between the two resonating length in a resonance column, that is L2 minus L1, is lambda by 2. We have L2 minus L1 equal to lambda by 2. Lambda equal to 2 into L2 minus L1. V equal to F lambda. Instead of lambda, we substitute the value 2 into L2 minus L1. So V is equal to 2F into L2 minus L1. This is the equation for velocity of sound. Given L1 is 9.76 centimeter or 0.0976 meter, L2 31.25 centimeter or 0.3125 meter. On substituting these values in the equation for V, we get 2 into the frequency of the tuning fork is 800. L2 is 0.3125 and L1 is 0.0976. On calculating, we get the velocity of the sound in the medium or in air as 344 meter per second.